folks, we're back and we got another oddball for you here. Check it out. It's a 2014. It's a Ford Transit Connect Wagon, long wheelbase, XLT. So it's actually a passenger van with tons of little storage in it. It's got a third row seat. It's a 7-passenger, front wheel drive, 4-cylinder, automatic trans, leather interior, power driver's seat. And absolutely new, one owner, commercial fleet lease titled, immaculate inside and out, non-smoker, no accidents, windows locks, tilt cruise, CD player. She's dialed in, folks. She gets phenomenal gas mileage. She's currently registered until 10 of 22. Super nice car, folks. Guaranteed credit approval in full effect. $995 starting down payment. Transit Connect Wagon XLT. DasCleveland.com.